It's Donald B. How are you guys doing? I have the information you guys are looking for. Fanbase on Android. I'm going to show you some things that I have found, and I want you to watch and pay attention to this video. Hopefully you will learn. I am still learning the app myself, so I'm not going to be able to answer all your questions as I go, but you can definitely ask questions on the comments down below. Let's go. As you all know, my name is Donald B. I have a TikTok channel called J&D The Knuckleheads. We are growing, and we have over 180,000 followers. That's the last time I checked. But again, we have a good time doing comedy, having a lot of fun. I just want people to understand that you can grow your channel if you actually have the right strategy to make things happen. But at the end of the day, you can do it. I believe in you, trust and believe that. But right now, this is about Fanbase. Fanbase on Android. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to walk you through some of the stuff that I've seen on that Fanbase and help you actually navigate through it, okay? So, as I go through it, like I said, I'm still learning. If you don't know something and I didn't answer it in this particular video, please leave the comments down below, and I'll try my best to answer the questions in the next video.
Let's go.
All right, yeah, so a couple things I want you to understand here. Fanbase, right here in the purple with the little F. I'm going to click on that. We're going to go into it right now and show you guys what this is all about. Let's go to the home page. So, I want you guys to understand, Fanbase is pretty cool. It's basically just like another form of Instagram, mainly with what I've seen so far. But it has different things you can actually have access to, which is kind of cool. All right, so first thing I want you guys to understand, there may be an issue when it comes down to your profile. Let me go to my profile. I'm going to have to definitely go ahead and... So I'm going to settings, the top right-hand corner. That big circle in the top right-hand corner, you see the circle, it says settings next to your name. I'm going to click on that. Now, the information down here, you're going to be able to change your profile. It's easy to change your profile. If you hit the pick, just go in there, hit change profile. You can change it to whatever you want it to be, blah, blah, blah. Same thing at the top where it says change cover image. You can put your image in there as well. Of course, you fill the information down below. I haven't completely finished mine out. Then there's the card information. If you go in there, now here's what's going to happen. And I had this issue. I went in there to plug in my information. And what happened for me, though, was that I had issues with the card information. It wouldn't accept it. I was having that problem. I couldn't hit next. It was nothing else I can do. I was putting my name, my address. It didn't ask for the zip code, and I had a feeling that's what the problem was. So what I did was I actually reached out to Fanbase itself. I went to their support. If you see down here at the bottom, right above the logout, I hit support. And it says report a bug or suggest an improvement. I had reported a bug. I filed a support, and what happened is it worked out perfectly fine the next day. I got a response pretty quickly, which I was very excited about. And they told me I had to download the newer version. Originally, the way I did it, I had to go into the website, fanbase.app. I went to fanbase.app and able to pull up the app from there. By me doing that, I was able to download the app. But yeah, because I couldn't find it in the store. It wasn't in the store at all anywhere. So I was able to research it and found it there, and boom, I downloaded it. But now, when I went back into the App Store, I actually saw it. It was actually there. It was the newer version. So I updated it. And once I updated it, I was able to get into the information, plug it in. The zip code part actually showed up. So that's what I had to do. So if you're in that situation and you can't get access to it or you're having problems filling it out, go and check to see if there's a newer version and update that and upload it to your phone. And that will help you. This page right here, you of course, just like Instagram, you have your feed of actual different posts you have on there. You got all the videos you want to add. And still wondering what this is your favorite, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm still figuring this stuff out. So I apologize. If you know the answers, put it down below in the comments. But again, as you can see, I've added some of my videos on here already. I've added 2 TikTok videos. Just trying to test it out, see how this whole thing works. One thing I wanted to show you, let's pause this. You can't pause this, just like Instagram, but the music is low. But here it is. You see you have the likes, you have the comments, you have the loves, and you have the shares. The loves is where you actually pay somebody. Now, what is paying? Let's go up here. Let me show you what this looks like. This is pretty interesting. So let's go to settings. Let's go to view plans. You see my plan? View subscriptions. So go here. This is where you can actually buy all your hearts. 100 loves, it's for 99 cents. 500 love, $4.99. what you do with this is actually what you put on other people's channel. You can actually love somebody else's channel, love somebody else's videos, and let's back out. I'm a little slow at this thing. Like I said, I'm still learning how this works. Let's go to home and see what's in the home. So you see my stuff, my videos are on the home screen. Now, you want to see other people's videos. Well, the bells, notification, discover for other people. I understand that. This is where your revenue is. This is where you make money. I'm still trying to set everything up. So by the time next video, hopefully you'll be able to see some more stuff on here. Notification. Still trying to figure that part out too. I'm pretty sure just notifying other people. Now, let's go in here. Go to search. Let's go back to home. Let's search. Let's do. Now here's some other people on here. Look at it. Look. Let's go to Fanbase. The home of Fanbase. You see they have pictures. Now look, they have 126 loves, 117 likes. They're getting paid for their loves, which is cool. Like I said, I think it's like half a. Like they were telling me before. I'm still trying to figure it out. I think it's half a penny. Wait, 1 penny, or one love is worth like half a penny. So. Again, guys, I'm still learning. You got to forgive me. We all gonna be new to this, but I guarantee I'm gonna master this eventually. You can see all the different pictures and images and videos if you want to. There's music. You got up here, and let's go back to its search. What is Fanbase Plus? Look at this. These are longer videos. Oh yeah, these are definitely longer videos. You can actually put on here. See, kind of cool. Now, one thing I want you guys to know, let's go to plus. Down at the bottom, the red plus. Now, I can do images, I can do video, and that's what that fan base is. That fan base is basically showing landscape video longer than a minute. So this is where you can actually show videos a lot longer than a minute. I have so many videos I can probably put on here, but I'm not doing that right now. So let's back out. Now, I know there's an audio room. Let's see if I can find that audio room. There's an audio room somewhere. I can't remember where it is. I'll show you guys next time. But I know there's an audio room just like it's something similar to like what Facebook has and Clubhouse has. I know I saw it. I just don't remember where I saw it. If I hit plus again. I know I'll figure it out next time. But at least wanted to let you guys know it is here. The app is here. I want to be able to figure more stuff out. So I'm going to answer questions for you. And that's really all I have for y'all today. I just want you guys to understand how this works. And you got my videos. And like I said, I'll just testing some stuff out. But if you guys have any questions, definitely put it down in the comments below. I want you guys to be able to enjoy these videos, enjoy the content. I want you guys to be able to put your own content on here and just have fun with it. If you guys know the movie Macaulay Culkin's Home Alone, this is just me using that sound. So anyways, I'm going to go. Let's wrap this up. So that's just kind of a quick walkthrough of what it has. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm going to learn more about it. The next video I post up on here, I will definitely show you guys more and show you how to work things. And if you have any questions, please put it down in the comments below. Again, this is the Android version. I don't know what the Apple version looks like. I'm pretty sure it's similar. But like I said, it's still, I'm learning it right now. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I see some potential with it once I get to know everything. It's the same thing I did with TikTok. I struggled with TikTok in the beginning, but then I figured it out. It's just that simple. All right, y'all. So again, my name is Donald B. I want you guys to enjoy this video. Continue to follow, and I'll continue to post. Okay? All right, y'all. As I always say, it's not deuces, it's doses. Ow, I just hit my hand. Oh!